Welcome to this tutorial on how to calculate simple interest. In this video, we will use the simple interest formula to calculate the final investment value, or the principal amount of the investment plus the interest earned. We will also show you how to use the formula to calculate the yearly interest rate. Keep in mind that simple interest is calculated only on the principal amount. We are not calculating the interest earned on interest, as you would with compound interest. To start, let's go over the simple interest formula. The simple interest formula is A equals P times 1 plus RT, where A is the total accrued amount, or interest plus principal, P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest per year as a decimal, and T is the time period in years. If your interest rate is a percentage, make sure you convert it to a decimal first by dividing the percent by 100. As long as 3 of these variables are known, you are able to solve for the fourth one. For example, if we want to solve for the yearly interest rate instead, we can rewrite the formula so that R, the yearly interest rate, equals 1 over T times A over P minus 1. Now, let's do some examples. We will use the simple interest formula to solve for the final investment value and the yearly interest rate. For our first example, let's calculate the final value on an investment where the principal amount is $500. The yearly interest rate is 4%, or 0.04, and the time period is 5 years. Plugging these values into the formula, we get A equals 500 times 1 plus 0.04 times 5. 0.04 times 5 equals 0.2. 1 plus 0.2 equals 1.2. And 500 times 1.2 equals 600. So our final investment value after 5 years at 4% interest is $600. For our next example, let's calculate the yearly interest rate of an investment. We will use the rewritten formula R equals 1 over T times A over P minus 1. Let's say we know that the final investment value is $330. The principal amount is $300, and the time period is 2 years. Then R equals 1/2 times 330 over 300 minus 1. 330 divided by 300 is 1.1. 1.1 minus 1 is 0.1. And 1/2 times 0.1 is 0.05. So our yearly interest rate is 5%. Now that you know how to use the simple interest formula, let's head over to Calculator Soup's simple interest calculator. Choose the variable in the simple interest formula that you want to find, and enter in the known values for the other variables below. Then, the simple interest calculator will walk you through step by step how to get the answer. Let's do one more example. Let's find the total interest and principal on an investment with a principal amount of $3,500, an interest rate of 7%, and a time period of 5 years. First, make sure your interest rate is in decimal form. 7% as a decimal is 0.07. Next, multiply P times 1 plus RT. 3,500 times 1 plus 0.07 times 5. After 5 years, our total principal plus simple interest is $4,725. Now you know how to calculate simple interest. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from Calculator Soup.